Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to uncasing Epson Stylus R3000. Basically, we just uncasing it and remove the case, so you'll be able to access the printhead and the mainboard. We'll remove 3 screws in the back and jiggle a little bit. We can remove the back housing. Here's the tabs for the housing. It's really easy to remove. This is the old good time when Epson still gave you schemas and they label all their FFC cables. And then we remove the left and the right back covers. There's one screw on the left, one screw on the right, and again, very easy to remove. And now we can remove the left and the right decoration plate, and there's no screw to peel it, and it's going to come off. Now we work on the top cover. You're going to see 4 big screws on 4 corners. And on the right, you're going to see 2 screws and also pull off those FFC cables. Same 2 screws on the left. 1 top screw in the middle. That's the trigger, see if the cover is lifted or not. Tuck the cable in, and now you can lift the top cover. And now you can plug back the control panel, and you can override this top cover. Now you get the system that your both cartridge, the printhead, and the mainboard are very easy to access. Something weird about this printer that I got under $50 is, see, the ink pad is brand new. I wonder why. With the adjustment program, and let's read the printer info. First print 2011, December 10th, and so just had a birthday, 13th birthday 2 days ago. Over 13 years, it printed 36 pages and only cleaned itself 5 times. Actually, I cleaned it 5 times. It only got 2 sets of cartridge. Actually, the second set of cartridges, I put in the refillable cartridges. This printer is brand new. Last 5 years, 0. Wow. For a printer that printed 36 pages, this one really take a beating. Seems the owner had a dinner on it, had a coffee, and probably have a family meeting on it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.